Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Rick's portal gun from the TV show Rick and Morty. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tutorials. First, to make the main box, draw the template shown on screen. The angle at the front of the gun should be a 75-degree angle on the top interior angle. Once those templates are made, by the way, AutoCAD is being super weird about PDF things, so templates will not be provided. Trace out the sides, then take a piece of cardboard, making sure the corrugation is perpendicular to the ruler, cut out a 3.5 inch wide strip, remove the corrugation on the sides of the piece, and glue the pieces on. Next, take a 1.12 inch diameter tube and cover it using craft paper. By the way, these tubes are found in aluminum foil packages. Then, cut a hole in the back of the middle of the box to make the portal gun's grip. Cover the hole on the end sticking out using craft paper. Next, to make the button, roll a piece of cardboard by using the tubing method, then take some craft paper, cover the top, and cut a notch that equals the curve of the main box thing, and then glue it on. Next, to make the number screen, score a 1 inch by 2 inch section on the top and pull out the corrugation. Then glue a smashed piece of cardboard in there and print out the number C-137 onto the craft paper and glue it. To print out the number, you can use a printer and some 8.5 inch by 11 inch brown craft paper. Next, move on to the portal fluid container on top. Take some paper and make a 2.5 inch circle and then make another circle on the inside of that one. It should be 1.9 inches in diameter. Once cut out, take your template and cut 2 rings and layer them. Then cover the outside corrugation and then glue the ring to the gun, making sure to be 1.5 inches from the front. Then, make a tube that will fit into the inner ring. The tube should be 4.5 inches tall when on the gun. Next, put supports on the inside of the gun by putting some cardboard in there. Then, make a cone using craft paper that equals the top of the tube and cut the top of the cone so the diameter of the hole is 1.5 inches. Then, cut a circle and glue it in. Next, to make the front of the gun, cut a rectangle that fits inside. Then, glue 2 pieces perpendicular to that piece so when you slide it into the gun, it doesn't fall into the gun, and then you have to spend 10 minutes looking for the stupid thing. Then, glue that into the gun. Next, cut out 3 circles and glue them equally spaced onto the front of the gun. Then, cover the corrugation on the front. That's it, you're done. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and reviews. If you want to talk about or see pictures of my creations or your own, go check out my Discord server and my Instagram page. Anyway, see you all later. Bye!